Question 8. A sector of a circle, with area 550 square centimetres, is curved round to form an open cone with base radius 7 centimetres. We need to find the height of the cone. Here is the cone. The radius r is 7. The height h goes straight up the middle, and the slant height L runs down the sloping side. When the sector is rolled into the cone, its area becomes the curved surface of the cone, the sloping outside. The curved surface area of a cone is pi times the base radius times the slant height. So pi RL equals 550. Put pi as 22/7 and r as 7. The 7 on the bottom cancels with the 7, which is neat. That leaves 22L equals 550. Divide both sides by 22. L equals 550/22, which is 25 centimetres. That is the slant height. Now for the height. The radius, height, and slant form a right-angled triangle, with the slant as the hypotenuse. By Pythagoras, slant squared equals radius squared plus height squared. Rearrange for height squared. Slant squared minus radius squared. That is 25 squared minus 7 squared, which is 625 minus 49, giving 576. The height is the square root of 576, which is 24 centimetres. Well done! That's question 8 complete.